because we're gonna do another one just to show you guys. Stage 2 mods to the first gens are coming pretty soon. I did order some slick to the front of the car because I got new wheels for it. I did have to machine the wheels because they're not meant for the hub I have, so I had to cut a little bit of it. So I'm putting new wheels for the front, the brake kit for the front, booster delete. But the best upgrade I'm doing to the first gen is what's in this box. And it is some parts from Elite Rotary Shop. So I got a new fuel rail for the secondary just because we're finally gonna change the intakes. You'll see in here, teeth are pretty good. Help me. Damn, much I can do is one-handed. Alright, so I used Mochi's claws. You can see his feet are really clawy right now. So I used those big ass nails to open the package. So we have the Elite intake. Same intake I have on my FC that makes a lot of power. We're not gonna put it into the first gen. This one's powder coated black, which came out really nice. The actual lower is still raw. It's still raw just because we stopped to machine it. He's right now he's doing the semi-peripheral manifold, but we're on a tight schedule, so I'm just gonna do it myself. So I'm just gonna cut a hole through here on both sides and then connect basically the runners together like I did on the manifold for Cletus, and then powder coated black to match this, and do a comparison video of the intakes that I have in the car right now versus this intake to see how much more power it makes, which should make about like I want to guess 30 to 50 more horsepower. It might be more, but we wouldn't know until I actually put it on the dyno and try it. But this manifold is way nicer, way bigger runners than the other one, so it should make pretty decent power as long as Mochi is in a good mood and throws all the timing at the engine, right Mochi? Back with Mike, going to Mike's to see the progress on the machine work on Hertz engine and my engine.
So we can't really social distance much in his shop because it's 6x6. So we're gonna wear masks.
Yeah.
We got one of John's RX-8 rotors for his 20V peripheral port on the lathe here. We're gonna punch out the center to even up this casting and take out the oil slinger. It's for later on after we balance it when we go to weight match all the rotors. This is a crucial step.
This next rotor that we have right here is Dad's Fine Specimens right there. So this is the rotor for his NA20B engine, the peripheral port. It's not balanced yet, so the only thing that it has done is the apex seal mod to RX-7 apex seals. So he's gonna clearance it, and what else? Just clearancing and balancing?
Yeah, we'll clearance it, balance it, weight match the rotors, and then balance the assembly.
So we're gonna do the same thing. Clearance the sides for high RPM and avoid contact on the plates.
Yeah, the RX-8s already have a little step in there, and the late FD rotors have it too. So we're gonna start there and take a little bit more off. Oh my God. From the factory. We're just going to clean that up while we're in there. Alright, that was the base clearance. Now we're going to come in and take a little bit more at the tips.
So you can see the extra step right here. Since it's the farthest point on the rotor, that's where the most flex is going to be at.
Now we just deburr it, balance it, and weight match it.
Sick. Alright, we're about to go race this dude. Got Kurt over here hooking up the boost controller so we can do him dirty. We're gonna go race that Mustang. It's not gonna be fair. It's 20B first gen and then a 20B FD. So this one makes 400, that one makes 500, and that Mustang definitely does not make none of that. I only turned it up a little bit. Boosted a little bit, so I turned it back down. Alright, so now we got the over boosting issue figured out. So we put a 4-port boost controller instead of the 3-port, so everything completely changes. So where before it was not hitting enough boost, now it's over boosting. So we're gonna give it another shot. 1, 2, 3! So that's just 11 pounds. Hey, cops! Go up to 40 rule. So 40 miles an hour. 1, 2, 3! It's a big turbo, so it's a little bit laggier, and he's an A, so he got the jump on us, but we still got the W. Hi, Kurt, giving this youngins the beating. We're gonna head back to our shop in Mexico and see.
You want something?
Nah, we're gonna do a rotary on rotary crime. We're gonna race Gil. Come on! He'll jump a little bit on it.
You good, on?
Yo, the cops followed us here.
What did what was the he at?
Yo, turn this shit off, Kurt. Hey, Gil, turn yours off too. Shut up, you can't have a keys on you. So they're gonna wait probably until we leave. But, you know, we're already home. We're already at the shop.
That's what it was.
Kyle's over there, this dude wearing race suit. Be like, you guys racing here? You guys
When I get my rear end in there, we can do 40 roll all day long.
Yo, Kurt, you need short shifter, yo?
Short
Look at this
shift.
dude.
What's wrong with that one?
Is that why you wanted to race?
Yeah, because I changed it out.
Yo, Gil did smoke everybody
Short
though.
shift in my-